Ting Reviews presents Sceptre 32-inch E325W-2560AD monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. QHD Resolution Quad, resolution 4 times more pixels. Fast response time for fast action games. Multiple ports, 2 HDMI ports perform up to 60 Hz. 85 Hz refresh rate, image change faster and smoother. Price $249.97 USD at time of listing. 4.2 out of 5 stars and over 60 rated. Even better than expected. I bought this to replace a 27-inch 1440p monitor that decided to die on me without warning. Went with this size due to the cost versus other 27-inch 1440p monitors. Glad I did. The monitor is gorgeous and huge, no dead or stuck pixels, and it was easy to get adaptive sync turned on and to set up 85 Hz. Videos look amazing and the gaming looks even crisper than on my old panel. Pleasantly surprised with the included DP cable and the metal stand. I even plugged in my Switch to one of the HDMI ports and enjoyed some gaming unwind from my normal PC usage. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.